everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, you're going to learn number formatting in MS Excel. Today we have to complete two tasks. First one is we have your stationery sales data. We have to convert this messy data into presentable data. And second, this fruits sales data from this table to this table. So please watch the video till the end. First, I will complete one task, then I will explain some things, then we will complete second task. Let us complete this stationery shop sales data. As you can see on the screen, we have product, quantity, price, total, and here you can see product name, quantity is there, price. Here there is no any specific format like currency, and here no format in which amount total sales is calculated. So let's start. First we have to select this column, then click here number, your currency format. So we have to add currency. So here rupee symbol is there. If you want different currency options here available, you can just I want to be clicked. Okay, if you want to change decimal points, you can change here. Two decimal points are there, so I will keep as it is. If you don't want, just click here, increase or decrease. Okay, again here different format are there, you can choose. Okay, next total is there. So total we have to show calculation, just click, and accounting format again in that same currency decimal, just I will click OK. So your first task is completed. Completing such task is very easy if we know the Excel or their option and all this formatting well. Again we have here for selling data. So before completing this task, let us understand now what is number formatting. For example, I will type here some random number and I will apply different number formatting, and then we will complete our second task. Thus I'm typing here 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so just I will select here general. Okay, so what is general, you can see here. It will show the details of that option. So no specific format. If I am typing something text also, it will take as it is. No specific any format, no percentage or no rupee, no date format, nothing. So it is general format. After that, number format. So here, see, you can see the difference. Before decimal points was not there, now it came. After that, currency. Next, accounting. After that, short date, like date, month, year in number format. After that, long date if you want in month. Next, timing. So currently I am not added in timing, just for reference. For example, I am showing percentage. So I have typed that 4 5 6 digits, so it is converted directly into percentage. After that, fraction. For example, I will type here 45.67 and I want to convert it into fraction. So 45 2 upon 3. Okay, these are directly you can select from here. Again here some same repetitive options are there. Accounting format, you know, percentage, again comma. For example, 12,300 I will type 12,300. So I want to divide by comma. We can use here. Again, beside that, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Apart from this, very important option. So then your dialog box, same. General I have explained, number, decimal, currency, accounting, date, again time. So whichever format you want, you can take. For example, Control Shift semicolon. By using Control Shift semicolon, I have inputted time here. So here, sorry, I want to apply time style for this. So whatever time is there, current time, it is converted. After that, percentage I have explained, fraction also. Scientific, when need arises, you can use this option. Next, it will take as a text only. After that, very important option, custom. So here you can see different types of the mix almost. So here you can see in this data, we understood the date, format and all these things, but how to do or how to insert this kg format? For that, we have to use the custom format. So suppose in our data we want to convert in kg, gram, liter, milliliter, kilometer, like this. So at that time, that option is not there. So we have to go to custom format and we have to add the units. For example, I have already made here 1 kgs. So how to do that, I will explain once again. Let us complete other column first. Then I will last explain you custom options. Just you can see date. So what to do? You know very well now. Just select the column, go to the date, or you can choose from long date. After that, time is there. Just select the column and time. After that, this is normal text quantity. I will tell you afterwards. After that, we have to add here currency. So in currency, there are no decimal points. So just click here. In currency, make it 0. So as we want. After that, accounting format is there. Just select here. Accounting number format. 2 decimal points are there. After that, percentage we have to apply. Clear. And at the last, very important option. Finally, I will show. Just click here. Custom. Type here. 00 space double inverted comma kg and click OK. This is how I converted normal number into kgs. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment to the channel.